Greetings, I'm Professor K, and in this short video presentation, we're going to see how we can use VirtualBox to create a shared folder on our host machine for file transfer over to our Windows 10 target. So there's a couple of things going on here. First, our Windows 10 machine is going to be a target, and it's going to be made vulnerable. Therefore, we have to keep it isolated from the internet so that it won't do any Microsoft updates. Secondly, we need to be able to move data from our host machine over to the target machine to make it vulnerable. This is easy to do if we create a shared folder up inside of VirtualBox, and we will then have access to it on our virtual machine as a shared drive. Let's see how we do this. First, ensure that your virtual machine is powered off. In this example, I have some PowerShell scripts that I need to get over to the desktop of my Windows 10 target. So I'm going to right-click on my virtual machine that is powered off. I'm going to go to Settings. From here, in the left window pane, I scroll on down until I come to Shared Folders. I next click on the plus sign over here in the right window pane. And for the folder path, I'm going to browse to the folder that I want shared from my host machine over to the virtual machine. So I pull this down and I'm going to select Other. I'm now going to find the folder I want to share. It's currently on my desktop. And here's the subfolder. And inside the subfolder, you'll see that we have a PowerShell-Lab folder. That is the folder I need to share. So once I have the folder selected, I go to the bottom of the window and I'm going to press Select Folder. Back on our Add Share window screen, I'm going to check the box for Auto Mount. With everything properly configured, I'm going to press the OK button. And I'll press OK one more time. We're now ready to have access to that shared folder up inside of my VM. To do this, I'm going to start by powering on the Windows 10 VM. And in just a moment, we'll have a desktop. From my Windows 10 VM taskbar, I'm going to click on File Explorer. And then I'm going to open up this PC. And you'll see down here that I have a shared drive that is mapped back to that shared folder on my host machine. To verify, I'm just going to open up the PowerShell-Lab folder, and there's the contents. Now to get the contents over to my desktop, I'm just going to right-click on my desktop and click New Folder, and I'm going to create a PowerShell-Lab folder. With my new folder created, I'm now going to go back into my shared drive and I'm going to highlight everything, right-click, and from the context menu I will select Copy. I'm now going to open up that new folder on my desktop. I'll right-click in the right window pane and I'll select Paste. For shared folders to work inside of VirtualBox, you must have the guest additions installed inside of the virtual machine. Without the guest additions, shared folders will not be available. You're now ready to continue on with the next lab, which is using PowerShell to create a vulnerable instance of Windows 10 as a target for your cybersecurity and DFIR labs. If you have any questions or you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out, contact your instructor, and I'll see you in my next video.